And here we go, boys and girls. Okay, so everything's repaired. Let me do this real quick. There we go, that's better. Everything's repaired. We'll get ready to put that back on in a minute. It's just I can't for the moment because I have live power. If I put that back on, my line will be live. So we've tucked it.
Tongue on it.
Right? Hey, does that hurt?
You're into that thing.
Well, you know. So we're hiding everything up inside. You can see where my fingers are going by.
You like hiding things.
So by tucking that up out of the way, we keep it to where it needs to go, and it just looks better. You don't see the wires. And that's the whole goal here, is to hide as much as we can, or if we do have to show it, at least it'll look respectable, you know what I mean? So we're just about at that point where I'm gonna start going through, locking it in place, bringing it over, down, and routing it up to where the breaker is gonna go. So, but on that note, this is gonna be a quick one because I need to get this done today because I'm only here for about another hour and then I go to my next job. So on that note, ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, whatever. What do we say, Bobby?